Imagine the hadith says, Man sama Ramadana imanan wahtisaban. Whoever fasts Ramadan with conviction and expecting a reward from Allah. I'm going to stand this night, inshallah, in ibadah. I'm going to do something extra. It's possible, it could be Laylatul Qadr. So I'm going to stand in extra prayer. I'm not going to get upset. Even if it's a little bit extra prayer, a few extra du'as, perhaps Allah will write my name from those who are free from hellfire and Allah will forgive me. I promise you that thought is ihtisab. It is accounts. What are you doing? You are actually believing in Allah, expecting a reward from Allah, and you actually know that if Allah accepts this, this is what I'm going to get for it. So I'm trying hard that it is accepted in the best possible way. Now I'm going to stand in prayer, and as much as the imams are taught to go easy on the crowd is taught to enjoy the recitation of the imam, try to listen and try to enjoy whatever is being recited. May Allah Almighty make it easy for us this evening, inshallah.